Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NC Arizal Properties. Pasok tayo sa loob. Over here in Antipolo. Okay, meron tayong 2 parking space. Right, then dito yung porch area. Hindi na pa na-entering, pasensya na. Medyo may kalat, pero maganda to, promise. Right? So ito yung living area. Ito yung ceiling. Okay. Merong konting partition. Although hindi naman solid, di ba? Alright. So dito sa kaliwa, pagpasok mo ng main door, meron tayong guest room with toilet and bath. Guest or senior room. Okay, naka-open lang yung ating cabinet. So movable yan yung cabinet. Ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Okay. Movable yan. Kaya hindi siya nakagilid ng gusto. Okay. So again, pakita ko lang ulit living area natin. Ito. Okay. Then ito yung ating dining and kitchen area. So syempre, dito yung ating dining area. Then very obvious, yan yung ating kitchen. Meron siyang cooktop and range hood. Nakikita ko. Meron tayong kitchen island. Okay. Ganda na ito. Ito yung common toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. Tingnan nyo. Yung cladding niya, yung wall cladding, kaya hindi siya halata sasarado ko lang Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Then, ito yung ating secondary kitchen. Alright. Ito pintuan na to is access papunta po dun sa setback. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Since this is a single attached property, kaya may setbacks po. Okay. One more look. Kitchen, dining, and living area. Yan, ito yung ground floor natin. Akit tayo na second floor. Yung lot area natin dito is 150 square meter. Floor area is around 200, 220 square meter, mga ganyan. Okay? So dito sa second floor, meron tayong 4 bedrooms. Okay. So ito yung first bedroom. Pasensya na kayo medyo kailangan ko madaliin. Dahil uulan na. Okay, so ito yung kanyang built-in cabinet. Ulan na, may isa pang video na gagawin. May nag-aantay din Nakakahiya naman doon sa kapwa-ahente. Alright. Ito yung second bedroom natin. Mas malaki to kaysa doon. Okay. So dito, may naka-install na split type po na aircon. Alright. Then of course, meron din kasamang built-in cabinet. Okay. Meron tayo dito common toilet and bath. So para po ito sa 3 kwarto right? Then mapapansin nyo, meron rin po siyang shower enclosure. Maganda po talaga ito, promise. Okay. Kung magtatanong kayo kung pwede, ito po yung pinaka-master's bedroom may naka-installed na split type aircon. So pwede po ito cash or bank financing. Okay? So ito yung space for the master's bedroom, may built-in cabinet. Cash or bank financing, message nyo ako. Ngayon kung true cash tayo, wala po tayo reservation. Okay? Kung bank financing, wala rin, pero paano kayo sa akin? For pre-approval po tayo, alright? Magpa-approve muna tayo sa bangko. Natala na yung may-ari kawawa naman. So ito, may sariling toilet and bath. Of course, this is the master's bedroom. Right? Sabi ko nga, yung common na toilet and bath is good for 3 bedrooms na. Okay? So ito yung last bedroom, pang 4th bedroom dito sa second floor. Again, may naka-install din na split type aircon. So, 3 yung may installed, no? Na split type aircon. Yung isa lang yung wala. Pero may provision siya. Right? Then, ito yung ating family hall. May ceiling fan po. Okay, ayan, oh. Tara. Then, last part ng bahay is itong ating balcony. Ang ganda na ito. Actually, winning property ito para sa akin. Okay. Message lang po, message lang if interested kayo. Alright. And then for pre-approval, kung gusto niyo i-bank. Then for cash payment, message tayo. Alright. So, yun lang. May next po na video after ko. So, thank you for watching. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Bye-bye.